Good morning, everyone. That sounded a lot better. Welcome to the second day of the ASME conference. If you haven't met me, my name is Ria George. I have two roles at ASME. I'm ASME's secretary and ASME's lead for diversity. And if you joined us yesterday, we hope you had a fantastic day at the conference. And if you've just joined us today, a very warm welcome. So today is packed in terms of the program with exciting workshops, presentations, e-posters, and many more sessions. And to start us off today, I am delighted to introduce our first plenary speaker, who is Sabena Jameel Chowdhury. Sabena is an associate clinical professor in medical professionalism at Birmingham Medical School and a general practitioner. Sabena's primary interest and expertise is around fueling meaningful conversations on character and how this defines